Hello traders. In this video, we are going to be looking at the PAFX Secret Indicator for MT4 and MT5. We'll look at how this indicator plots its histogram and divergence trend lines in a separate window and what those visuals imply about bullish and bearish conditions. At this point, I'll go ahead and load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. We're just going to allow the LL imports. And just like that, we have it installed on the chart. As you can see, the PAFX Secret Indicator loads into a separate sub-window below the main chart, where it plots a histogram oscillating around the central zero line. The bars extend upward and downward from zero to show changing momentum, with bullish conditions reflected by bars on one side of the line and bearish conditions on the opposite side. On top of the histogram, the indicator draws bullish and bearish divergence trend lines between price swings and histogram peaks or throws, visually connecting higher highs or lower lows in price with opposite direction moves in the oscillator. Bullish divergences are typically marked with one color and sloping lines under price and the histogram, while bearish divergences are marked with another color and sloping above, making it easy to see where trend continuation or potential reversals might be developing. As for the settings, let's take a look at our inputs. The type of settings available includes the indicator to load, which lets you choose which underlying momentum tool the PAFX secret engine uses for divergence analysis, such as RSI, CCI, MACD style, stochastic, AO, or momentum variance, depending on your version. So you can align the histogram behavior with your preferred oscillator style. You can also set your preferred colors. As for who is for, the PAFX Secret Indicator MT4 and MT5 is aimed at traders who like to work with momentum and divergence as a way to anticipate potential turning points or confirm trend strengths while still having a clear histogram based visual. It is a visual and analytical tool only. It does not execute trades, and divergences can appear repeatedly in strong trends or during choppy conditions, so signals should always be confirmed with price action, structure, and risk management rather than being treated as standalone trade instructions. The download link is in the description below. For the full review, configuration tips, and more MT4 and MT5 divergence tools, make sure you visit the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future indicator breakdowns.